What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at the brand new 3D printer with probably the most intelligent 3D printer I've seen so far. And this one is by AnkerMake. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. So go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel a lot if you buy from there. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you the features, and also show you how to assemble it. Here we go. Now there are a few things that I love about this printer. I like how you can cut the printing time because it has the Power Boost 2.0, which achieves smooth power output and increases power release by 30% compared to Power Boost 1.0. It allows for double the printing speed and acceleration of M5 without sacrificing printing quality. According to official data from AnkerMake, in fast mode, it takes 17 minutes to print a standard small boat referred to as a benchy. This is quite impressive compared to regular 3D printers, which takes over an hour to achieve the same result. In the well-known speedboat race competition within the 3D printing community, M5 users have been able to optimize their printing parameters and achieve a remarkable record of printing the small boat in just 8 minutes. This achievement ranks second globally among unmodified i3 machines, which showcase impressive performance. It also has precise 0.1mm detail, which achieves precision even at fast mode thanks to the new ultra direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Now you can also keep your print on track because the M5 calculates a printing plan and uses extra processing power and an integrated intelligent camera to stick to it, keeping your model matching your design. Now I like that camera as well if you want to check out your print during the printing process. If you are away, if you left your home even, you can check the app and you'll be able to track all that. You can even use a time-lapse feature for that as well. Now with the app as well, you can start prints anytime, anywhere. Whether you're in a lab or across town, even across the world, you can start and manage prints anytime via AnkerMake app. It has a slicer and also it's Amazon Alexa powered. Now, if you have a computer, you can also use the AnkerMake app so that you can use their slicer. You can pretty much download from Thingiverse or any other 3D modeling sites for free. Put it on the slicer, and then from there you'll be able to print it without any problems at all. It can also support global supports on the model itself, so that if it does fail the first time, you can just put the global support option so that it'll automatically make supports for your model. I find myself using that from time to time, and it does work really well. You can also expand your creativity with color. They have so many options. I like having the options of using different colors when you're printing. Now the printing volume, length, width, and height, this is about 235 by 235. And it's 250 mils height. The fast mode speed is also 500 millimeter per second. There's the fast mode acceleration, which is 5,000 millimeters per second. And the normal mode is 250 millimeters per second. If you want a normal mode acceleration, that would be 2,500 millimeters squared. The nozzle diameter is 0.4 millimeters, and the filament diameter that it uses is 1.75 millimeters. You can print materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and ABS. The extruder temperature, the maximum would be 260 degrees Celsius or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And the heating plate temperature is in a maximum of 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This also has auto leveling. For those of you who are wondering, you have to level your heating plate. At the bottom has to be completely leveled compared to the tip, or else it'll make a lot of errors. But this one, you don't have to level it yourself, which I find that sometimes, from the past experience I've had anyway with 3D printers, it does get hard to level it. And if you're not used to doing that, it does, if you're a beginner or something like that, it's really hard to do. But with AnkerMake M5, you'll be able to do it with just one button. You can auto level, and that's it. It'll do everything for you. It also has Filament Sensor, which is a broken material detection, so it'll auto stop, or it'll notify you as well if it starts failing the print, so you're not wasting material. And you can also pause prints and then resume it later on. Now for the softwares, you can use the AnkerMake Slicer, which is good for Mac or PC. But you can also you can use other 3D render stuff too, like Simplify 3D or Ultimaker Cura or Prusa Slicer. So this is what you get right off the back here. A few things, accessories, cord right here. Let's take that out. These are the screws that came with it. So it goes layer by layer. This is the other layer now, right below it. And this is the pretty much the bottom of it. It does come with a quick start guide and tools as well. We have to take this bottom part off so that we can install the arm. That exposes this area right here. Now we had this originally up here. Just bring it down like so that you can expose the legs right here off the edge, and then you can mount the bottom base on it. So now that it is sticking out right like so, you will then use the M5s on these 4 spots right here, 4 screw holes, and tighten it up. Same goes on the other side right there. 5 socket head screws. We're gonna use this tool now. After that, we connect the motor and the connection there to the other side as well. Now these USB-C cables will go to left and right, and then we're going to use the M2.5s to keep them in place. There's one, and then let's do the R. And then we're going to use the M2.5s to put them on those holes. M2.5s, they look like that, and then we can just route the wires right here just by clipping it in like so. Just keep the wires pretty like so. Now we can put the cover back on. We're now going to grab this, the holder for the filament, place it onto there. So it's going to be the M4s for this one. Just wait, plug it in right here and turn it on like so. Also this screen right here, you can kind of interact with. Shows you ambient temperature here, auto level, start auto level. This is like the best part because then you don't have to do it yourself. It will heat up this plate as well. All automatic, as you can see there. Now if you're a brand new 3D printer, you want to try out something, this is a best beginner, I would say. Just because you don't have to do any of the technical stuff. You can just use an app to just upload your 3D renders here, and it'll automatically print right away. Very intuitive here as well. It even shows you the temperature of the plate. Now this also has a camera so that you can check out your 3D print live from the app or from the software, as you can see here. Now honestly, I would recommend this for people who wants to get into 3D printing. So for those of you who are beginners, this is really easy. Definitely recommend it. For those of you who doesn't really know how to level your bed, your heat pad or whatever, this is really easy as well. Again, one button and you're ready to go. You could 3D print like a Millennium Falcon, kind of like this one, and give it to your kids for Christmas or for their birthdays. Saves you a little bit of money, and it's pretty cool as well. You could 3D print something like this as well to commemorate the Titanic Ocean Gate submarine, or print something like this, little toy as well. Put this on top of your pencil or something like that. Use it as a puppet as well, as you can see there. You can have something like this. You can put your plants on here. Use it as a pot as well. 3D printed, pretty cool, right? I've only had one fail attempt on one failed print overall, and that was like because I didn't put supports in, but I was able to stop. It was able to stop by itself because I had the AI recognition error detection on, so that was really good. It didn't waste any PLA or material or anything like that. Pretty accurate. It's good. It does well. It prints really well, considering with all the detail as well. I would recommend this for people to just check it out. Now this 3D printer is also in a medium price range, so it's not that bad considering what it could do. They're also gonna do a Prime Day promotion happening in July 11 to 12. You can get the AnkerMake M5 for a huge discount. I would definitely check out that so that you can save a little bit more money. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Everything will be in the description below. If you want to ask something else, I'll see you in the comments below. I'll try to answer as much comments as it comes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of these. I'm also starting a new Instagram for just for the 3D printing, so I'll link that down below as well, so go ahead and check that out. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Peace.